Imagine earning your first $10 a day online starting as a complete beginner. Sounds exciting, right? What's even better is that this app works globally, no matter where you are. From the United States to India, Nigeria, Pakistan, and even the UAE, you can start making money today using payment methods already available in your country. Here is the good part. This app is called Pawns.app. I will leave the link to it in the description or in the comment section below. Now let me show you the step-by-step on how you can use this amazing app to make money online. Pawns.app is a simple online earning app that lets you make money in two ways. Number 1, sharing your unused internet data. Number 2, completing paid surveys or tasks. The app works seamlessly on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Linux devices. Whether you are using a phone, tablet, or computer, you are good to go. Also, here's why Pawns.app is legit. Number 1, the ratings. It has an impressive 4.4 star rating on Trustpilot from over 4,000 users worldwide. Number 2, the payment methods. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Bitcoin, Venmo, Payoneer, bank transfers, or gift cards, depending on whatever is available in your country. After downloading Pawns.app, simply register using your Google account or Apple ID. Once logged in, the app's dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate. For sharing your internet data, go to the home section in the app and click on the Share Internet button. By doing this, Pawns.app will share your unused internet bandwidth and pay you for it. And don't worry, your personal data is safe and secure. For sharing just 1 GB of data, you will earn $0.2. That means by sharing 5 GB, you can make $1 in pure passive income. Multiply this with multiple devices like your laptop, desktop, or phone, you will easily boost your earnings. If you want to make money by completing surveys, head to the Earn section in the app. You will find a variety of surveys to complete ranging from 10 to 20 minutes long. For every survey, you can earn anywhere from $0.2 to $5 or more, depending on the topic and your location. Popular survey topics include fashion, technology, and automobile industry. And let me give you a tip. The more surveys you complete, the higher paying surveys you will get over time. After those two methods, there is one last way you can make money on this app, which is inviting your friends. Pawns.app also rewards you for inviting friends, and this is how it works. You will earn $3 per invite, and your friends will also get $3. Your rewards are divided across their registration and withdrawals, making it a win-win for everyone. To start inviting, go to the community section, copy your referral link, and share it with family and friends. You can also do it on social media if you have some sort of followings. Pawns.app is beginner friendly, legit, and safe. Even if you don't have any advanced skills, this app lets you earn real money right from your device. Plus, the $5 minimum withdrawal means you can cash out quickly. Don't take my word for it, just go and try it. Download Pawns.app right now and start earning today. Whether you want to share your internet, complete surveys, the choice is yours. Let me know in the comments what device you're using and where you're from, so I can create more helpful content tailored to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.